gentlemen, welcome to the United Kingdom. We have just landed at London Heathrow Airport, Terminal 4, but the local time is 30 minutes past 9 in the evening and the outside temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Customers requiring boarding passes for the onward connections are requested to coordinate with the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate assignment information. Please be informed that it is now safe to use your mobile phones if you wish to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, the next time you fly with us, check in online at qatarairways.com. Enhance your experience and save time at the airport. Choose your seat, print your boarding pass and use the fastback drop counters at the airport to check in your luggage with ease. QatarAirways.com, it just couldn't be simpler. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Juan Pablo and the entire set of crew, we hope you enjoyed your flight with us today and thank you for flying with Qatar Airways. Wish you a pleasant stay in London or a safe onward journey.